Alright, Servo Mechanical, we're back. We haven't been on in a while. I joined a group on YouTube and really got into the Geet, and I haven't done much with my hydrogen generator. One of the guys wanted to see the spark arrestor, so this is it. Basically it's packed with bronze steel wool. There's a screen on each side to hold the steel wool in there. I'm sorry, bronze wool. This is my cigarette butt that's damp. This thing's taken hundreds of hits. Never had a problem with it. This is my cell, just real quick, similar to the stands. I have a bubbler over here. I don't know if you can even see it, it's in the dark, but 3-phase alternator, 100 amps, puts out about 200 volts. Charging chokes go, it cranks out quite a bit of hydrogen. This is a plasma thing that I'm working on. Puts out about 6,000 volts for a plasma spark plug. Pretty neat. I'm sure you guys seen some of the videos on YouTube, but anyway, to get to the main point, this is my Geet that I've been working on. Pretty cool stuff. So I'm going to put it together. I know some of you guys wanted to see me put it together. Oh, I didn't talk about the rod. This is the rod. I don't know if you can see it online, but there's stripes going all the way down it that are blue. I don't know if you can see all the way down. There's little rings of blue. Now this was a piece of cold rolled steel when I started. It's now magnetized. Opposite of what it should be. Actually, the whole system is opposite what it should be, but it does work. The main reason for that is, thanks to one of the guys in the group pointed out, I had the exhaust going in the same direction as the fuel, which made me point the exhaust the wrong way, and the whole thing magnetized backwards, but it works. So at any rate, I'm going to put it in, and we're going to mess around with it. I forgot a bunch of my testers. So I'm not going to be able to do a lot of analyzing on it, but I did bring a CFM reader, and I forgot the RPM. I wanted to document the RPMs. And should have got that phone off. There's some other stuff I wanted to document, but it's not going to happen today, so we'll do what we can here. Oops. Alright. So there's my feed going in. You can see it's the same direction as the exhaust. Thanks, David, for pointing that out. Made more sense once I figured that part out. But it runs. I mean, we ran everything from pickle juice to some Southern Comfort. We ran Windex, all kinds of stuff. So, here's my fresh air. Here's my fuel. I know that a lot of guys are putting it here. I put it on the other side of the vortex, but this is my first one. And I forgot to put the rod in again.
Are you kidding me?
I am not kidding you. Hold on, just keep...
Okay.
That's one thing they didn't want to see is the video stop. You rolling again? You're filming? Okay, so, like I said, this is the second take because the first time, like an idiot, I forgot to put the rod in, and I just did it again. So, I'm not going to do another take. I'm just going to do it. Tube, rod, point it in. It's going to point towards the tank. Can't believe I did that twice in a row. Anyway, we'll have it together here in a second. It's really cold outside. I'm going to run this in my office here, but if it gets bad in here as far as fumes go, which doesn't really seem to put off a whole lot, but I'm going to have to shut it down because it's just too cold outside. We're having record lows in Massachusetts, so do what we can until it gets real cold. What I was told is you don't want any vacuum leaks. And we had to stop the camera, but sorry about that. Nothing changed. I think this stuff's all tight. Alright, so here we are this time with the rod in this time. So now we're going to add a bunch of junk to it and see what happens.
Talk up.
Huh?
Talk up.
Talk up. So we're going to start out with some gasoline. Kind of right next to the fire, that's wonderful. Hopefully we don't blow up. I'm not measuring anything, I don't have a lot of time. Sorry. Just a little bit of gas. This is the crazy part right here. Little pickle juice. Oop, there goes a jalapeno. That'll be alright. Bit of vegetable oil. Dump some water in there, yummy. Some vinegar, some glass cleaner. Top it off a little, I use motor oil. This is what got me is last time I put motor oil in it. The thing ran so clean, and if you ever did this in your lawnmower, it's a little thick, it's cold. You know what would happen, this thing would smoke like crazy. And it doesn't. Hopefully it runs for me. Hopefully we got enough juice in there, I don't know. I'm going to wash the funnel out with just a little bit of gas. Just got to get that out of that funnel. It's not going. And heck with it. Alright. What I want to do is add my HHO cell to this with just water in here. Make maybe some little modifications. Not sure if I want to add it before or after. My second one's going to have sight glasses in it, and I'm going to do some stuff with a microscope and some lights to see if I can see what's going on inside the Geet. If it's generating a spark, I don't think I want to add it before it. So, we're going to give it a shot. See what happens. Believe it or not.